Hey, what is going on, guys? So today is gonna be the first ever actual trading recap that I'm gonna do, and I'm probably gonna post on my channel more consistently because I'm more comfortable with trading. So the trade we took today was on NASDAQ. Okay, yeah. So before market even opened, what I usually like to do is I like to mark out 1 hour fair value gaps. So you can see before 6 or before 7 or seven, we had quite some fair value gaps down here that just rejected off, and plus we don't really have any uh, yeah okay so and plus we don't even have any fair value gaps that are like bearish. So already today I was kind of bullish. For entry, I was just waiting for another fair value gap to be validated. So I just waited upon the 1 hour to have a close, and then after that, I just waited for price to react off the 1 hour fair value gap right over here. After that, I just scaled down to the 5 minute, and plus we were also bullish, as in we broke a structure to the upside. So on top of that, and I believe we also hit an order block originally. I mean, to be honest, this trade could have gone two ways. It could have, I mean, that's the only way it can go, but it definitely could have been a since we are reaching a all-time highs, it could have been like a liquidity sweep, and we could have just got stopped out from there if we went long, because like I said, it could have been a liquidity sweep. But yeah, it didn't, and this was my trade. So after I see a valid reaction off the 1 hour fair value gap, I just scale down to the 5 minute, and I find a 5 minute fair value gap after the reaction of the 1 hour. So right over here, I mark out two fair value gaps. You can see right over here, but there's a lot of strong buying pressure on this 5 minute fair value gap. So I was confident throughout that time to go long around that area, or have that stop loss below that fair value gap. So yeah, I was just waiting for more confirmations at that point, and then we see that we have a 5 minute bearish fair value gap, and I was waiting for price to either take that out or react off it. And yeah, we kind of get a reaction off it, but I was really just prioritizing that 5 minute fair value gap below. So I scaled down to the 1 minute just before I was about to enter, and like I said, I also enter off a 1 minute fair value gap. So my whole strategy really evolves around fair value gaps. Without that, I just really don't trade at all. So we could see, okay, so the yellow is the 1 minute and the red is the 5 minute, if you are still confused. But we could see throughout price, we just get a reaction off the 5 minute, and then through that reaction, while it's inside the 5 minute fair value gap, I want to find a 1 minute fair value gap reaction off that. It could be an inverse, or it just could be a regular fair value gap, and then we see that we get a regular and a inverse. So we take out the inverse fair value gap first, and then after that we see that price taps into the 1 minute fair value gap, and then it just starts to go upwards, and that's exactly where I entered. So like I said, I had my stops at just below this fair value gap, and for the take profits, I really didn't know. I just was really targeting a 1-to-1. So I believe I took 2 or 3 take profits, but we had one at a 1-to-1, and then we also had one at a break of structure to the 1 hour. So we just randomly had it maybe here, and then I think we closed a little below around here. So this was the total trade today. We ended up making I believe it was around 1.5%, which is decent. But usually this trade is kind of a big trade, and I don't really like to deal with those kind of trades. I like having my trades being more clean. We kind of had some consolidation at the start of the trade, and then we had to wait quite a while for price to go either direction. So ended up going into my bias, which is long or bullish. So yeah, that's what ended up happening. So overall it was not bad of a trade, but like it's a win, so I'll take it. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I have to say about it. If we did have like a if it wasn't for the all-time highs, I definitely would have changed up my take profit, because I felt like, you know, we're a little too bullish, and I definitely was feeling some kind of rejection to the downside, so I kind of wanted to get in and get out quick. But overall, that's my first trading recap. I hope I don't look too like goofy, or like, I don't know, sometimes bro, like I think I'm cooked, but like my I don't know, man. I really don't know. But thank you for watching, forever who is watching. Yeah, hope you guys like it, and I'll probably make more videos. Bro, why do my lips look so gray, bruh? Oh my god. Okay, anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. I'll probably make another video soon, and plus I'm probably gonna make like a shit ton of more videos coming soon. So hopefully you guys like this. If not, I don't know, just do something, bro, please.